Hi Prasad, ఎలా ఉన్నావు?
Hi sir, fine. How are you sir? How is
I'm
Geetam?
good. Geetam is doing great. We are doing blended learning, blended teaching. So how is Hyderabad?
Very nice sir, but of course we can't go out, but the climate is very nice. The
Okay.
climate is even like Geetam, raining and all.
Here the Bangalore weather, right? It's always cool.
Yes, we actually missing our campus. Want to see it one more time.
Okay. Okay, tell me about yourself. How you are spending time in this pandemic by staying at home?
Yes, it is very much difficult to stay inside completely 5 months. It's been 5 months we are inside the house. Like
Correct.
taking precautions not to go outside and like whatever we are doing not to get upset or maintaining mental stability.
Yeah, fine. Okay, tell me, how was your 4 years being in Geetam?
I think especially when we come to the age when we spend the time in Geetam, it is like most favorite time in the complete history of our complete education life because uh, in Geetam we have freedom. We have apart from the curricular activities that Geetam arranged for ourselves, we
Yes.
had different vacations. We went for different different activities we did. So again, our campus is like a tourist vacation. The
True.
climate and everything, greenery,
Yeah.
and you know that Nandi Hills, the favorite destination in Karnataka. It's just beside our campus.
Yes.
Yes, we spent extraordinary time being in campus.
Okay. Can you share some happy moments and sad moments?
Yes, definitely. For completely 4 years, there won't be completely all the happy moments or completely all sad moments. It's a blender. Like
Mm.
when we didn't able to clear any interview, it's definitely a sad moment. And again, everything the time spent with our friends or with our faculty members, the prarana events, and I want to mention that we know the New Year night we have
DJ.
DJ. Definitely, that is one of the most memorable event. We never forget that. But I have to say that without help from all the faculties, we cannot complete our degree because we don't know nothing about online exams. It is the first and only activity. We are,
Correct.
from every part we have help from faculty how to attempt the exam. There are several mock exams that you conducted
Mm.
just to check
Yeah.
our infrastructure. So it's been
Yes.
a lot. It's been a great help. So now we
Yeah.
are happy and we got our degrees.
Okay. According to you, Prasad, at what time students need to be serious on their career?
Yes, this is the most important question. Actually, every student has to consider whether he want a future, he want a extraordinary future or he want a normal future. If
Mm.
he want a future with extraordinary, he has to work hard from the right beginning, first year onwards. Because
Yeah. True.
let me give you an example. Again, I thought I can be serious in the final year. It's okay to be enjoying. We can spend a lot of time wasting, but it is not the case. It will not help for anyone. We have to
Yeah.
we have to look into the industry, what the industry requires, what we have, and according to that, we need to spend our time in the college.
Students have to be very serious, right? Then only they can do something.
Yes, sir, definitely.
Okay, like tell me, how did the Department of Training and Placement help you to achieve your goal?
Sir, training and placement is one of the most important department in any college, especially in Geetam University. Because as you just take an example of myself, I got selected in TCS Digital. Actually, TCS will not take digital candidates, those who are not in their list of colleges. Actually,
Hmm.
TCS have two categories of recruitment process. One is TCS Digital and TCS Ninja. They only
Correct.
take TCS. Ninja for all the open category. For TCS
Yeah.
Digital, they only take from few colleges. Although our college is not in the list at the time I wrote the exam,
Mm.
our placement director personally requested the TCS faculty to tackle us to. They informed that we have few students which are going to be a excellent opportunity for your company, so that they just added us to write to take part in the TCS digital exam. So it is
Yeah.
the first step. Without writing an exam, we can't get into the company.
Yeah, correct. Students has to follow the guidelines of training and placement strictly, right?
Yes, definitely they have to follow the guidelines.
Okay. Do you remember what are the training and placement programs conducted in Geetam?
Yes, several. You right from the beginning, first year, second day onwards, we have been in the part of several training and placement activities, Seven Sense, Coke Cubes, and Q Spiders, face training agencies.
Every
Several.
Saturday,
Yes, every
Saturday
Saturday
test.
we have Saturday tests, mock interviews. There are a lot of activities. They helped
Yeah.
a lot.
Can you tell me the what is the role of this training and programs in like enhance your skills?
Yes, sir. We know as a student, as a fresher to industry, we don't know what are the major technologies that industry needs. But there is a bridge between industry and students. Here, the training and placement department combining the bridge, they are asking, they are directly questioning the HRs what you need, what are the technologies you are expecting from students. Here,
Yeah.
our training and placement department included those those technologies into our curriculum. They added several they voluntarily added several technologies so that it will be easy for us to get into the industry.
Okay. Okay. Correct. Prasad, after all these like training programs, tests, why the students will fail in interviews?
Sir, as in the point of view of students, they don't accept their own mistakes. They don't know the term accountability. We are accountable
Mm.
for our own mistakes. For
Correct.
example, we will go to an interview and the HR will ask the questions that are not relevant to our technology, but it is not their fault. It is our fault not knowing that. We have to
Yes.
know, we have to rectify ourselves, we have to accept our mistakes. Without accepting, just we cannot blame the HR. They are not asking relevant questions. How can I attend? It is not the case. They will ask what they want. So they will not ask what you want. They will ask what they want. We
Yes.
have to rectify.
True. Okay. Correct. 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 Can you please share your experience, like interview experience?
Yes. I have attended several interviews, and one of the biggest interview is TCS Digital.
Mm.
Actually, my interview went for 1 hour, and
Mm.
I want to share my experience how I prepared for TCS Digital. So
Mm.
after we got selected in the written test. Actually, 40 members from Geetam Bengaluru attended the written test for TCS Digital. Out of the
Yeah.
40, only 7 students got selected for interview.
Yeah.
So I'm the only one from our department, EC department, and
Mm.
I just forgot that I wrote the exam. Suddenly, I got a call from our director, placement director,
Mm.
asking that you should go for TNP department as soon as possible. After I went
Mm.
there, they congratulated us that you got selected. You are the only person in EC department. You should clear the interview at any cost. And
Happy moment.
at that instant of time, I'm very happy. And they asked us, we want to know where you are. We will conduct a mock interview. Okay, I
Mm.
thought, yes, okay, what is the wrong in that?
Mm.
The only one question, our director, TNP director asked me one question. Tell me about yourself.
Mm.
Literally, there is no a single word in my mouth. My hands are shivering, like I'm crying there. I don't know what to say apart from my name. My name is Prasad. That's it.
Mm.
I don't know
Mm.
anything.
Mm.
Then it is very bad. I felt okay. This opportunity is lost for me. I cannot regain it. So at the time, our coordinator and our director gave me a suggestion. Please go to your room and talk to yourself in a mirror. Come back tomorrow. We will conduct this session again. Then It is very excellent suggestion given by the TNP director. That decision made my life. I did exactly what he said, and the next day I went for again mock interview, and it made me very happy.
Life changed, right?
Yes, one night.
Correct, exactly. Have you done any self preparation?
Yes, several. Apart from the college, what they introduced us for like big data, RPA, artificial intelligence. Most of these concepts are explained by our, or they are introduced in us by the department. But apart
Yeah.
from that, there are several that we have to do. I did few courses just according to the TCS curriculum that we are provided. So I did several apart from the uh, topics given by our department.
Okay. I think reading newspaper is also going to help the students, right?
Yes, yes, of course. In HR interview, they will definitely ask one question. Yeah, normal whether we are following the society or not. They will ask a
Current
general
affairs.
current affairs. It is going to be a lot change.
Many GD topics are also from question like
Yes, everything is from question paper. So if we read the newspaper, we cannot say we cannot get surprised. Yes, I know that concept, so I can easily tell that.
correct. Finally, Prasad, what are your suggestions to your juniors?
Um, so I want to give a very nice suggestion. If they like, they can follow. We used to play games. I know everyone will play games in college life. Games, every game, they will provide a map. We just have to follow the map to complete the task or to complete whatever the treasure is there. So here
Yes.
in our college, ENP department and the faculty coordinators collectively preparing a map so that the students will get a bright future. Students have to just follow the map. Without, if they follow the map, they will definitely have a bright future. Just
Yes.
accept the situation. Just follow what they're saying. If you have any
Yes.
doubts, please clarify.
Yes.
The faculty
Yes.
coordinators are available. You know their numbers. Please call them.
Yes. Correct. Thank you, Prasad. Thank you for your valuable suggestions. All the best for your career.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.